Peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 surprises of different colors. Red, white, blue. And we have bonus surprises right here. Kinder Joy surprise egg. Let's see what we have here in the blue. Oops. It's Thomas and Friends engine number 4, which is very good. Gordon. Gordon is the fastest. Stretch. Squeeze. Stretch. Squeeze. Very squishy, Gordon. Next surprise in the blue capsule. Let's find out. We got, what's this? Iron Man. Stretch. Stretch. Squeeze. Very squishy. Iron Man. We have another surprise in the blue capsule. Another Thomas engine. Let's see what's this. Number 1. Yay! It's Thomas. Stretch. Stretch. Squeeze. Thomas. Our last blue surprise. Let's see. Oh, we got an orange fish. Who is this? Very good. It's Nemo. Stretch. Stretch. Squeeze. Stretch. Stretch. Squeeze. Nemo. Next surprise. What color is this again? Very good. White. Let's open it. Let's see what we got here. Hello Kitty. We got a Hello Kitty wearing a bunny outfit. Let's try if we can stretch Hello Kitty. Not so much, but I think we can stretch the ears. Hello Kitty. Pink Hello Kitty. Next white capsule surprise. It's brown. Whoop. It's Hello Kitty again. Hello Kitty wearing a bear outfit. Brown Hello Kitty. We got another white capsule. Red ball. Another Hello Kitty wearing a white outfit. Just squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. Hello Kitty. We got one more white capsule. Open. It's blue. Do you think it's Hello Kitty? Let's find out. Whoop. It's not Hello Kitty. It's Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman has the blue hair and she got a star on her forehead. It's hard to squeeze Wonder Woman. We got more surprises down here in red capsules. Let's open our first red capsule. Oh, I see red. Who is this? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oops! It's Marshall! Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Marshall from Paw Patrol. Our second red capsule. Peekaboo! I see you. What do you think is this? Very good. It's Rubble. Rubble in yellow outfit and yellow hat. I love Rubble. Rubble is funny. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Who is this? Very good! It's Sky! Sky wearing pink. Let's see if we can stretch Sky. Not really. But I'm sure we can squeeze her. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Sky of Paw Patrol. Our last red capsule. Let's see what we got here. I see blue hat and eyes. Who do you think is this? That's right! It's Chase! Let's try if we can stretch his ears. Oh yeah! Stretch! Stretch! Squeeze! Stretch! Stretch! Squeeze! Chase! No more capsules, but we have Kinder Joy. Let's open our first Kinder Joy surprise egg. This is the chocolate. Yummy and smells good. Here's our toy. Looks like we got a scooter. We have a blue scooter. Next Kinder Joy. It's red. Ooh, it looks like we got Minnie Mouse right here. Minnie Mouse. It's all Minnie Mouse. We got more in here. It looks like we have stickers. Cool. Oh, it's a bracelet. We got a Minnie Mouse bracelet. Let's see what we have here. It's blue. I wonder what this is. Transformers! Yay! Here's our Transformer toy. Plus surprise egg from Kinder Joy. Let's go straight to the toy. It says here, Crazy Friends. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one and Happy New Year!